Okay, this is the dehumidifier for the air conditioning system. So our dehumidifier P-trap drain line is not insulated. It's a humidifier. It's collecting condensate. There's nothing to keep it from hitting the floor. This is the closet heater. We're still in the closet. We're on the patio closet, by the way. It's 78 degrees outside. So I don't know what to tell you about the patio heater. It just has not operated for us today. Maybe I've turned it the wrong direction. But this is the water heater video. The water heater's in the same closet. The water heater carrying use manual is present. We've got our serial number here. This water heater is 1 year old. We kind of expect that. It's 50 gallons. So we've got a safety pad. It's looking pretty good. This is the water meter coming into the home. This is the main water shutoff valve. Okay. So that's the receiver for the water meter. We have an expansion tank. Our TMP is insulated. Get up in here and see some of this. Can't really reach it. It's a good thing that it's insulated. I can't make a promise that there's dielectric unions in there. This is our water heater. This is the electric power supply coming to it. And I is that right? I'm over my head here, but that's the grounding screw. And when I review the video, I'm going to be looking for an exposed grounding wire. So jury's out on that. We come along inside of here, across the living room, into the laundry. Inside of the laundry north wall, electric service panel, water heater. It has a lockout. You can turn the water heater off, lock it, and that way you can work on the water heater with a reasonable expectation of electrical safety. So what did we learn? We learned that we can disengage the water heater. Actually, we didn't learn anything bad. It's an electric water heater, 50 gallons, 1 year old, carry use manual. So far so good, except maybe that little green wire, which we also learned that our fan's not working, our heater's not working on a 78 degree day. Our dehumidifier, okay, that line is not insulated.